Episode 5. Arthur's point of view. Cook misunderstood Tea as a spy. He snatched little boy's clothes and threw him outside of the house in cold weather. When Hanks got to know about this, they became mad on him and immediately went to find the little boy. Little boy was walking on the road while enjoying the views because he never came there. He was happily enjoying everything. When Hanks reached there, they saw some wild dogs were barking on him and ready to attack on him. Yungi quickly did air shoot from his gun and protected him. He got very scared. They all brought him home. Hobie properly checked him. Jimin gave him his oversized clothes to wear. Everyone's heart ached to see that he is an orphan and lived in orphanage. Jin gave him a nickname T. He was very happy to get a nickname. Jin told to everyone to come in dining room for their breakfast. Let's see what happens next. Jin, T, sit fast so I can serve your breakfast. T looked at him with shiny sparkling eyes. Really? You will give me food? Jin, really? As fast as you sit, you will get food. T quickly sat on the floor and spread his arms. Okay, give me the food, said happily. Cook tucked Yungi's shirt. Meow meow. Yungi, Cook, why is it this much happy just by the name of food? We eat food lots of time in a day now. Yungi, because he lived in orphanage na, their lifestyle is different from us. Cook, what is ofofo? Yungi, shh, keep quiet. You ask too many questions. Cook, but Juni Yangi said asking question is a good habit. Cookie can ask as many as question he wants. Yungi, but only with June. Go and ask from him. Cook shook his head carelessly. No, Juni Yangi is very angry. Yungi, then keep quiet. Jin looked at T. T, why did you sit on the floor? Sit on chair. T, really? Can I sit on chair with you all? Yungi, you can. Now sit here, otherwise you will catch cold. T happily stood up. Okay. T happily stood up and about to sit on the chair, but Cook harshly pushed him and he fell. T screamed, ah! Jimin quickly held him as he was standing beside him. Are you alright? Angrily looked at Cook. Cookie, what's this behavior? Cook angrily looked at T. Spy is going to sit on Jinny Yangi's chair. No one can sit on Jinny Yangi's chair. T, I didn't know that it was Sir's chair. Looked at Jin. I'm sorry. Jin, it's okay. Sit on another chair. T slowly pulled another chair to sit while looking at Cook. This one? Cook, don't you dare to touch this chair. This is Cookie's chair. Cookie will bite you. Showed his teeth. T immediately removed his hand. Sorry. Jimin pulled his chair. Cookie, stop threatening him. Quietly sit on your chair. Looked at T. T, you can sit here. It's my chair. Cook, but it's Minnie Hangi's chair na. Jimin looked at him. You won't be quiet, right? June, how can he be quiet? He is hungry. He just want to get slapped from me. Cook, quietly sit on his chair. No, Cookie doesn't want any slap. See, Cookie quietly sit on his chair. Cookie only wants to eat tasty food prepared by Jinny Hangis. June, just wait for a few more minutes, baby. After that, you will get the reward of your all the mischiefs. Jimin made T sit on his chair. T, sit comfortably. T, wow, it's so soft. His happiness was clearly visible from his eyes and glowing face. When a boy who lived in orphanage and treated like trash never see any comforts in his life, then use it very far away from this, suddenly gets the opportunity to feel all the comforts. You can't even imagine the happiness of that boy. For him, small necessary things are luxury because he never get that. He never sits on the chair before, he never felt the softness, he never gets any comfort. His life was very hard. Jen smiled and gave him his food. Now eat it, okay? Loving the strokes his hairs. Tea. Food! Thank you so much for this. His eyes started shining to see the plate full food. He never gets this much food to eat. He thanked Jin for the food and hurriedly started eating the food. He just attacked on the food and started stuffing in his mouth. He wasn't chewing, he was only gulping. Food was too spicy for him. Soon he choked and started coughing badly. Jin patted his head. Slow down. June quickly passed him a glass of water. Drink this. Jin carefully made him drink. Tea is spicy. Couldn't breathe. Jimin, why did you eat when it was this much spicy? Yoongi, Minnie, this isn't a time to ask anything. Hobie, Yang, you shouldn't give him normal food. We should give him light and healthy food. He isn't well. Jin, sorry, Hobie, I just forgot about it. Yoongi shouts, shut up, you all. Give him something sweet to eat. His condition is getting worse. You can continue your discussion later too. Jin, oh yeah, but there is no sweet in the house. None of us like sweet things. June, wait, let me bring milk for him. Jin shouts, no! Jimin quickly went to the kitchen and brought the glass of milk and gave to Tea to drink. He drank the milk, but still his mouth was burning. Tears was continuously flowing from his eyes. Everyone was finding the way to remove his spiciness. Cook ran from there and quickly came back. Cook quickly stuffed his lollipop in Tea's mouth. Spy! You can eat this. It's so sweet and it's yummy. Tea started sucking it. After a minute, he was feeling much better. Everyone sighed in relief. Jin, concerned, Tea, is food too spicy? Tea looked at him. No. June, strictly, Tea, don't lie. Lying is strictly prohibited. We only want to listen the truth. Now tell us everything honestly. Tea, scared. I can't eat spicy food. Said slowly. Hobie, little bit shouts. When you know that you can't eat spicy food, then why did you eat? You aren't well. Spicy food isn't good for you, and you were eating like you see the food for the first time. T looked down. Sorry. Yoongi, we don't need your sorry. We want the answer. Why did you do that? T, I thought you will be angry. Moon raised his one eyebrow. Why would we be angry? T, because I complained to the food which was given by you. Jin, what made you think like this? T, in the orphanage, we aren't allowed to say anything about the food. We have to eat whatever they gave to us. Yoongi, what? I mean, that's a good thing to eat everything, whatever is given to you. But telling about your uneasiness isn't called disrespecting the food. Jin, listen, T. Here in our house, you don't need to do anything in which you are feeling uncomfortable or which gives you pain. If you have any problem with the food or any other things, then straight said no. You don't need to do pretend anything. Understand? T. Understood, sir. Sorry. Jin. Everyone start eating your food. Yoongi tried to take T's plate, but he was holding it tightly and didn't want to leave it. But Yoongi forcefully snatched it from his hand and went to somewhere. T was only looking at Yoongi, going figure with hurtful eyes. Jin and Jimin served everyone's breakfast and they all started eating. T in mind, now there is no food for you. See, Taeyang, you can't even eat properly. If you eat everything without choking yourself, then at least your tummy was full. But no, you have to choke now. You don't deserve food. Now stay hungry. Don't know when will you get to eat anything. He was blaming himself for everything. He thought now he has to stay straight like he stayed in the orphanage. Our poor Titi. Everyone was happily eating their food while chit-chatting. Jin was feeding Cook. He was feeling sad to see their love and closeness. It's not like he was feeling jealous. It's just he doesn't has anyone who can love him. Soon everyone was done with eating. Tea was only looking down with sad face. Yoongi put the tray on the table. What happened to you? Tea, without looking at him, nothing, said in sad voice. Yoongi, certainly. Look up. Tea slowly looked at him. Yes, sir. Yoongi, why aren't you eating anything? Tea, what do I eat? You snatched. No, took away my food. Yoongi, look at the table. T looked at the table and his eyes immediately lightened up. Food! Yoongi smiled. Food. T pointed his right index finger on himself. For me? Yoongi ruffles his hairs. Of course for you. T started crying and everyone started panicking to see him. They all went to him and tried to pacify him, but he didn't stop crying. Jimin, T, what happened? Why are you crying? June, Yoongi Hang, why did you make him cry? Yoongi, are you out of your mind? I didn't do anything. Hobie, you talked with him strictly, that's why he is crying. Jin lovingly strokes his hairs. T, what happened? Why are you crying? Did we do anything wrong? Did we hurt you? T hugged his waist tightly. Sir. Jin, yes, see, I'm here. Tell us what happened. If we do anything wrong, then I'm sorry. T looked at him with teary eyes. No, please don't say sorry. Jin wiped his tears by his hands. Then what happened? T, food couldn't form sentence due to excessive crying. Hobie gave him a glass of water. Jin Hyang made him drink water. Jin made him drink water. T, first drink some water and take a deep breath. Then tell us everything, okay? T did what Jin told him to do. Okay, sir. June, are you alright now? T slowly nodded his head. Yes, cutely sniffed. Yoongi, so now tell us what happened. Why were you crying? T, you gave me food to eat now. Jimin, so you are crying because Yoongi Han gave you food to eat? T nodded his head vigorously. Yes. Cook, Spy became mad. Who cries after getting food? T, I thought now I have to stay hungry. Jimin, why did you think like this? You couldn't eat spicy food. That's why Yoongi Hyang went to the kitchen to prepare non-spicy food for you. Hyangs never let us stay hungry. Sometimes they feed us forcefully too. Yoongi put his hand on his shoulder. In the orphanage, you won't get food? T looked at him. No, Mrs. Lee gave us food only once in a day, and if I do any mistake, then I don't get that food too. I have to wait for next day. June, mad. What? Jin, oh, now I understood. Why didn't you tell us about spicy food? You are afraid that you won't get to eat food again, right? T nodded his head vigorously. Yes, sir. Hobie, that's why he is this much weak. T, what did you eat yesterday? T looked at him. Yesterday? Things hard. Nothing. Hobie, and day before yesterday? T, nothing. Remembered something. Oh no, I ate 2 big chocolates which I found it from Sir June's jacket. Cook looked at him. That was Cookie's chocolate, Spy. How dare you to eat Cookie's chocolates? T looked at him with scared eyes. I didn't know that was your chocolate. I was so hungry. I didn't eat anything from 3 days. I couldn't control on myself and eat that. Sorry. June, it's okay. You didn't do anything wrong. Those chocolates for you. That's why you got it. Hobby, T, did you drink water properly? T looked at him and shook his head. No, just like food, we got water only one time. In orphanage, water comes only for few times. Everyone's heart clenched to hear T's struggles. He was telling everything with calm face. Yungi, feed him one spoon. Forget about your past. Now you don't need to stay hungry. T looked at him. Really? You will give me food daily? Jin fed him another spoon. Not only daily, you will get proper 3 times meals in a day. T became super happy. And water? Will you give me water too? June fed him another spoon. Of course, we will give you water too. You can drink water whenever you want and as much as you want. T, thank you so much, sir. You know, last time I drank rainwater. Hobby fed him another spoon. You shouldn't drink rainwater without boiling and filtering. You can get lots of disease too, T. T looked at him. I know, sir. That's why I directly collected it from the sky. I was too thirsty at that time. Jimin fed him too. Now you don't need to worry, okay? T looked at him. Thank you so much, said with big boxy smile. Cookie doesn't like a spy, but Cookie will feed you too. One by one, everyone started feeding him. T was overwhelmed to get this much love. He never expected this, not even in his dreams too. Till now, he only met with mean and cruel people. No one talked with him lovingly. Everyone thinks him as disgusting and made him feel low. Jin, T, eat strawberries too. All the fruits finished, only strawberries were left. T, while eating strawberries. No, sir, it's so tasty. I ate it first time. June smiled to see his happy face. T, eat as much as you want, but don't overeat, okay? T happily looked at him. Okay. Hobby gave him some medicines. T, eat this too. T quickly gulped the medicine. Finished, sir. Yungi, T, will you answer our questions honestly? T looked at him. Yungi, your bag is full with lots of brochures. How did you get this? T, Mr. and Mrs. Lee, they don't like when I did any mistakes, so they punished me, said with terrified eyes. Jin noticed his uneasiness in his behavior. Maybe he remembered all those things again. It's okay, T. Take some rest, okay? We will talk later. Time skipped after some times. Jin and Hobie went outside, cookies with June. T was resting in guest room. Jimin was sitting in his room and lost in deep thought. Yungi came there. Yungi, Minnie, I'm going outside. Do you want anything? Didn't get any response. Minnie shook him heartily. Minnie! Jimin flinched hard. Yes, Young. Yungi, I was calling you from so long, but you didn't respond me. Are you alright? Jimin, sorry, Hyang. I was just thinking about something. Yungi, sit beside him. What are you thinking? Jimin, I'm thinking about T. Can life be this much hard? I couldn't even imagine his pain. He had to struggle for some basic needs. Here, you all fulfill all the wishes you bade our tantrums. How can someone beat him mercilessly? Don't they have heart? Don't they feel pain? Yungi smiled. Minnie, life is too hard. Outer world is so cruel. No one understands others' pain. In fact, they always find a reason to give others pain. People can't see others' happiness. We always complain that our life is so hard. Even after having everything, we always complain to get more things. But here, lots of people who couldn't even get 2 times meal in a day. So be thankful whatever you have, because whatever you have is someone's dream to get. Jimin, right, Hyang, after seeing T's condition, I am feeling so blessed to have you all in my life. Yungi, now don't think much about him. I'm going outside. Keep your eyes on Cookie. Make sure he won't do anything with T. Jimin, I will, Hyang, don't worry. Meanwhile, with Tea Cook, Tea was happily roaming here and there in the living room. Suddenly, someone pinned him near the wall. Tea looked at him with terrified eyes. Now what happened? I didn't take cookies, anything. Cook, you can't take cookies, anything, spy. Tea, I'm not a spy. Then why are you calling me spy again and again? Cook, okay, bad Tata. Tea, no, I'm Tea, not Tata. Cook, you are Tea for others, but for Cookie, you are bad Tata. Understand? Tea immediately hid his hands behind his back. Oh, okay, I'm Tata. Cook angrily looked at him. What? Tea, bad Tata, I'm bad Tata. Now please let me go, Cookie. Cook, you can't call me Cookie. Only Cookie's Hangies call me Cookie. Tea, then what should I call to you? Cook, yeah, what should bad Tata call Cookie? Things hard. Master, yes, Master. Bad Tata should call Cookie Master. Tea, okay, Master. Cook felt happy. Bad Tata, don't you dare to touch anything. Cookie will keep his eyes on you. Don't try to steal Cookie's hangies from Cookie. If you dare to do that, then Cookie will break your bones. Tea, I will never dare to do that, Master. June shouts, Cookie, come here. Cook shouts back, Cookie is coming, Junie Hangi. Immediately ran from there. Tea sighed in relief. He is so dangerous. I should be careful from him. Cook came to June's room and saw everything was in his room was shattered. All the clothes were laying on the floor. Cook, what happened here, Junie Hangi? If Obi Hangi see this, then he won't leave Junie Hangi. June casually, I know that. Now you have to clean this room and arrange all the things like before. Fold all the clothes. Cook, why does Cookie arrange this? Cookie didn't spread it all. June, I know, I spread all these things. Cook, then Junie Hangi should clean it too. June, it's your punishment. Now start moving your hands. Cook, it's too much work for poor Cookie. How can Cookie do this alone? June looked at him. Do you want me to spread Jin Hyung's rooms too? Cook, scared. No, Cookie is doing. See? Started arranging the things. June, good boy. Now clean everything before Ho Bi-young's arrival. Left. To be continued. Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. Very long episode for you all. I was going to upload yesterday but got busy in birthday preparation and other things. Thanks for your wishes. It really means a lot for me. You all made my birthday special. I will always remember it. Anyways, will Cook be able to complete his punishment before Hobie's arrival? Will Cook accept tea? You will get all the answers in next episode. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.